Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the platform and that you're in a safe environment. PC and a private server reduce risk. Once done, log into the game and open the settings to verify whether console mode is active. Now access the developer console key, usually F9 or Shift plus F2, to see the current state. Next, prepare any scripts or commands you'll use. Keep them minimal. This avoids accidental execution and explains why we're working inside a controlled session before changing anything. With the console open, look for flags or modules that lock console features. These often appear as admin modules or console lock scripts. Once identified, you'll either run a minimal toggle command that disables the lock or remove the locking script from the current session. Do only one change at a time. Be careful. Removing core modules can crash the session, so test the toggle first. This method works because console mode is controlled by in-game scripts. Removing or toggling them restores normal access. After toggling or removing the lock, restart your session to ensure the change persisted. Some scripts reapply on join. If console mode returns, check for auto-run scripts or server-side enforcement that re-injects the lock and remove or block those where possible. If the server enforces console state, move to a fresh private server to confirm that problem is server-side versus client-side. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep backups and avoid editing core game assets. Use session-only changes so you can revert quickly if something breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.